Hey everyone, welcome to the problem we're tackling today. So, imagine you have an array of integers, and you need to select a subsequence of those integers to form a circular sequence while ensuring that the absolute difference between any two adjacent integers is at most 1. Basically, we want to find the maximum number of integers we can select from the array. It's quite a challenging problem, but let's break it down step by step. In the solution provided, we first recognized that for a collection of numbers to be suitable for forming the desired circular sequence, they need to be contiguous, and every number that is neither the minimum nor the maximum must appear at least twice. This fingerprint allowed us to efficiently identify the maximal sequence that meets the circular condition. By sorting the numbers in ascending order and strategically shifting certain elements to the end, we were able to construct the optimal circular sequence in log n steps. It's a clever approach that leverages the properties of contiguous numbers to achieve the desired outcome. To summarize, we delve into a problem where we needed to create a circular sequence with specific constraints on integer selection. By recognizing the fingerprint of a suitable sequence and employing a sorting and shifting strategy, we efficiently found the maximal subsequence that satisfied the circular condition. Thanks for tuning in today, folks. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. Keep problem solving and stay curious.